All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're breaking down a pretty interesting opportunity for trades assistants in Melbourne. So, if you're someone who loves hands-on work and you're on the hunt for a new role, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this.
So, who is this for? Well, the recruiting company, Engineering People, is really zeroing in on a specific spot, Melbourne's north and western suburbs. If you live around there, listen up, because this could be right up your alley.
Okay, first things first, what is this opportunity really? Let's get right to the heart of what the role is all about.
So, think of a trades assistant as the backbone of the team. You're the person who makes everything run smoothly for the skilled tradespeople. You're helping them out, making sure the work site is in order, the equipment's ready to go. I mean, it's a super important job on any project, for sure.
All right, so we know what the role is, but what would you actually be doing? Day in, day out. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the tasks and responsibilities.
One of the first things that jumps out from the job description is variety. Yep, this is not one of those jobs where you're doing the same thing over and over. It sounds like every day is going to bring something new to the table.
And you can really see that variety when you look at the list of duties. I mean, check this out. You'll be driving a forklift, and yes, you'll need a license for that. You'll be using hands and power tools, reading engineering drawings, doing assembly, a bit of painting, helping out the tradespeople, plus general laboring and cleaning. Phew, it's definitely going to keep you on your toes.
Okay, so that's the job, but who are they looking for? Let's talk about the ideal candidate, what kind of person they want, and what you absolutely must have to even apply.
So beyond just having the skills, what's the vibe they're after? What kind of personality is going to be a great fit for this team?
Yeah, it really comes down to attitude here. They want someone who's reliable, someone who shows up and gives it their all every single time. You got to be happy to jump in and do whatever needs doing, enjoy a good challenge, and of course, be a solid team player. It's all about that positive, can-do mindset.
All right, so we've talked about the personality side of things. Now let's get to the deal breakers, the absolute non-negotiables. You've got to have these to even get a foot in the door.
And it's pretty straightforward. There are two big ones. First, you must have the right to work in Australia. That's a biggie. And second, you've got to have that forklift license. If you don't have both of those, there's just no way to move forward with an application.
And just to make it absolutely crystal clear, they even say no overseas applicants can be considered. This goes hand in hand with that first point. You need to have the right to work in Australia already sorted.
Okay, let's get to the part everyone's probably waiting for, the pay. And of course, how you can actually apply for this thing. Let's break it down.
So, the big question. What are we talking about for all this hard work? What's the pay?
Get ready for this. It's $48 an hour. 48. That is a really solid rate, and it totally makes sense given how much variety and skill is involved in this job.
And you know what else is great? The application process is super simple. They've made it really direct, so you're not jumping through a bunch of unnecessary hoops.
And get this is a huge plus for a lot of people. No cover letters needed. That's right. It seems like they just want to see your CV, see your experience, and get right to it. Nice and easy.
Seriously, it's as easy as this. Step 1, you click Apply. Step 2, you add your CV. That's it. Done. Couldn't be simpler.
Now, one really important thing to know is that this is what they call an expression of interest. So what that means is you're not applying for a job that's open today. You're getting your name on a priority list, so when a role does open up, you'll be one of the first people they call.
And hey, just so you have all the details, here's the key info. The company again is Engineering People, and the job reference number is 703. And you've got their phone number and license number right there if you need it.
So there you have it. We've gone through the role, the requirements, and the reward. The only question left is, could this be what you're looking for? If it sounds like a good fit, now's the time to get your name on that priority list.